Hello, friends. Welcome. Today, I'm drawing Mum stuck in the rain. Do you want to know how Mum ended up in the rain today? Can you guess? Was she picking flowers, carrying shopping bags, or just walking slowly to enjoy the breeze? What do you imagine, friends? One cloudy afternoon, Mum went outside to water the plants. She hummed softly as drops began to fall. Oh dear, she smiled. It's starting to rain. Children, wiggle your fingers down like raindrops falling from the sky. Bluey peeked out the window. Mum, you're getting wet. Bingo ran to the door. Come inside, quick. But Mum laughed, holding her arms open wide. It feels fresh and cool. Kids, stretch your arms wide. Feel the air around you. The rain grew stronger, dripping on her head and shoulders. Mum twirled slowly in the yard, her dress damp but her smile bright. Look at me dance in the rain, she called. Friends, spin in a little circle where you are, gentle and free. Bluey and Bingo rushed out, holding an umbrella. We'll save you, Mum, they cheered. Dad chuckled from the porch. Don't forget to share the umbrella. Children, pretend to hold an umbrella above your head, nice and high. Mum bent low to hug them both. The umbrella kept part of her dry, but water still splashed on her shoes. Bingo whispered, Your hair is wet, Mum. Bluey giggled, but you look funny. Kids, pat your head gently as if feeling little drops. Like this video and subscribe my channel. Together they tiptoed back toward the porch, puddles forming under their feet. Tiptoe, tiptoe, Mum said softly. Friends, can you tiptoe in place, light and careful? Once inside, Dad handed Mum a towel. Here, warm up. Mum wrapped it around herself, cozy and snug. Bluey and Bingo leaned close, their fur still sprinkled with rain. Children, wrap your arms around yourself like a soft hug. Mum smiled. Being stuck in the rain wasn't so bad, especially with you here to help. Bluey nodded. We're your rain rescue team. Bingo clapped. Next time we'll bring boots too. Kids, clap your hands 3 times. Clap, clap, clap. The family cuddled together on the couch, watching the gentle rain outside. The garden shimmered with drops, leaves shining bright. Mum whispered, Rain makes everything fresh and new. Children, close your eyes for a moment. Picture the shiny garden after rain, calm and glowing. Now wave goodbye with Mum, Bluey, Bingo, and Dad, all cozy and smiling together.